Hello and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. My name is Charlotte and today we're taking around this approved used Volkswagen vehicle. Introducing the Volkswagen Polo MK6 R-Line that is fresh in stock. It does come complemented in the modernised Smokey Grey Metallic paintwork, really highlighting those fantastic features. It does come with your 1 litre TSI engine and efficient automatic transmission, making it the ideal nifty city upgrade for any individual. Alongside plenty of top features including your automatic LED headlights and stylish 16-inch alloys. You even add further protection with your parking sensors and power folding heated wing mirrors. The boot offers plenty of space for your day-to-day items, whilst the very comfortable cloth interior offers further comfort with your fitted ISOFIX points and central power outlets. Moving into your front, you will find your full leather multifunctional steering wheel for added convenience, with access to your digital cockpit pro and central touch display. That modernised edge does continue with your art embroidered front cloth seats, followed by seamless navigation around the vehicle with your mounted audio controls on your steering wheel, and of course your options to navigate around your digital cockpit, displaying your vital driving data and various audio. You even have your built-in navigation system with a full view display to assist out on the open road, with your travel assist for further assistance. Moving across, you do have similar access to your variation of radio stations alongside your app Connect that does come compatible with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Again, you do have access to your built-in navigation system, so it is ideal for those who love to explore or find themselves in unfamiliar areas. You do of course have your on-screen and vehicle status information to easily keep an eye on the overall condition, alongside your front and rear sensors to assist in those awkward manoeuvres. And flicking downwards, you do have your touch buttons for your dual climate control, meaning you can have a more desired temperature, followed by your handy charging pocket, central cup holders and small storage compartment. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video at all. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.